Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devleena and in today's video I have a very interesting review for you guys. So today I will be reviewing the complete customized range of Freewill. Now let me just talk a little about Freewill. So Freewill ऐसा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप जाकर अपना हेयर केयर कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं. So they will be firstly giving you a quiz जिसको आपको fill-up करना पड़ेगा. You can actually go ahead and mention all your hair problems over there and आपके hair goals क्या है उसको फिलअप कर लीजिएगा एंड देन दे विल बी कस्टमाइजिंग एंड क्यूरेटिंग अ प्रोडक्ट जस्ट फॉर योर नीड. ऑल्सो आप प्रोडक्ट का कलर एंड फ्लेवर भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो दे प्रिंट योर नेम ऑन द बॉटल एज वेल. सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट जस्ट फॉर योर ओन नीड. So now coming to my own experience with Freewill. Now if I have to talk about my hair is naturally quite thick and it does have quite a volume. But मेरे जो concerns थे about my particular hair is that I was suffering from dandruff, so I had quite some dandruff. So I did want something which is anti-dandruff and also I do have color treated hair. So as you can see मैंने actually ombre किया था in my hair and I have actually colored my hair like 3 times in the past. So मैं अपने hair पे बहुत सारा color करती हूँ. So because of that color my hair tends to be quite dry and damaged in the ends specifically. So that was the main concern for me. So I wanted a shampoo which would be anti-dandruff and something which would actually bring back the shine and the glossiness back to my hair and also remove the dry and damaged hair which I was actually facing. And also another thing is that because I am a student right now and I actually stay in a hostel, so I wanted something which actually gave me an easy solution because मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं होता है कि मैं एक हेयर मास्क लगाऊँ या कुछ लगाऊँ. So that is the reason I wanted a quick solution and that is why I went for Freewill. So now talking about the products. Now firstly let me talk about the pricing of these particular products. So the shampoo and the conditioner both retail for 950 rupees. For the shampoo you get a quantity of 250 ml and for the conditioner you get a quantity of 150 ml. This is actually really well thought because usually हम लोग shampoo ज़्यादा use करते हैं and conditioner कम. Now talking about the serum retails for 499 rupees and you get about 30 ml of the serum. So the price of this entire kit is 1850 rupees in which you are getting all of the 3 products. You also get an option of choosing only the shampoo and the serum which again comes down to about 1100 or 1200 rupees. Also you can use my discount code in order to get a 10% off on your purchase. I will be leaving the discount code in the description box down below and also the link. Definitely check that out. Also मैं बता दूँ कि मैंने actually ये avocado flavor में लिया है and this one actually smells really good. Not only the shampoo but the shampoo, conditioner and the serum, they smell phenomenal and also your hair will smell so good after you have washed out the products. Let's go ahead and see the packaging of these particular product and then we'll jump to the final review of this particular product. This is the packaging of the shampoo. It comes in a transparent bottle like this. It also has a pump on the top and this is the texture of the shampoo. Now coming to the conditioner also comes in a very similar bottle with a pump and it has a thick consistency just like this. And lastly the serum comes in a droplet format like this. It has a dropper on top and it is an oil based serum. I absolutely love the consistency of the serum. It is very good for your hair. So now talking about the product and whether this one helped me or not. As you can see I have actually used a lot of the product. So this is firstly the shampoo. Shampoo is a pretty normal and decent shampoo. It lathers really well on the hair and washes off all the dirt and gunk that you have on your hair. It just makes your hair feel so clean and so fresh. Also another thing about this particular shampoo is that I wanted something anti-dandruff and this one actually helped me in that. I do have some dandruff on my scalp and sometimes it actually gets itchy as well. but after I started using this one, it actually helped me to clean my scalp so well that itching problem actually went out completely. I won't say it did completely cure my dandruff like completely अभी तक, but थोड़ा सा definitely इसने कम किया है. I have been using this one for about 3 weeks, so I'm sure कि मैं जब इसको complete कर दूँगी, it will definitely help me to cure my dandruff. Now coming to the next step, which is the conditioner. This conditioner is actually something which I really loved. I absolutely loved the texture of this particular conditioner. ये conditioner थोड़ा सा thick है and ये आपके hair को बहुत अच्छे से coat करता है, and after you have applied this conditioner and after you wash it, your hair feels so smooth and so soft. I just can't even tell you. मतलब after using this conditioner, I don't even need to use any kind of hair styling products like a straightener or a blow dryer just to, you know, tame the frizz or something. And also जो part मैं बोल रही थी about the dry and damaged hair, this actually really cured the damage. As you can see from here, my hair actually looks pretty shiny and pretty nourished. It really helped me to cure the damage which was caused by the color treatment. Now lastly, talking about the serum, this is actually my favorite part about the whole entire range. Now firstly, let me just appreciate the smell of the serum. The smell is so divine, I can't even tell you. You just have to sniff it to understand how good the smell is. Now I usually use only one pump of this particular product, and that is completely enough on my hair. So I just take this serum on my palm and rub it on my hand and then apply it on the ends of my hair where the damage is there. So this one with the conditioner has really helped me to cure the damaged hair which I was actually having, and it actually makes my hair so smooth and so soft and also very shiny. And also this is completely my natural hair. I have not applied any heat products or any styling products on it. I just shampooed in the morning and I have just applied this serum on it, and this is how it looks after the shampoo. So yes, that was my review of this particular product. I would definitely recommend this to you guys, and you should definitely give this a try at least once. And also do not forget to use my coupon code so that you can get a 10% off with this purchase. And that was it for this particular video, guys. If you have any other questions, definitely leave it down in the comment sections down below. I would love to answer those for you guys. Hit the like button if you liked the review, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.